This 2018 Jayco J Flight SLX 7195 RV is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 21 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, air conditioning, oven, skylight, water heater, TV, awning, TV antenna, refrigerator, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco J Flight SLX 7195 RV is 2,890 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.